You said this was the last time. That was the last time you said that. And yet here you are again. You wake up every morning with a plan. Today is different. Today you are serious. And then something happens. Maybe you are bored. Maybe you are stressed. Maybe someone just looked at you funny. And boom, you are right back to it. Telling yourself it does not count. Promising you will stop tomorrow. Tomorrow comes. You know how this ends. Here is what nobody tells you. This is not about willpower. You are not weak. You are not broken. Your brain just found a shortcut. Something triggers you. You do the thing. You feel relief. And your brain goes, "Nice, let us do that forever." That is it. That is the whole loop. Trigger, action, reward. Your brain is not your enemy. It is just really, really bad at long-term planning. So, how do you actually break this? First, remove the trigger from your environment. You cannot fight what is right in front of you. Make it harder to access, even by 5 minutes. That gap is everything. Second, delay the urge. Do not fight it. Just say, "Okay, I will wait 10 minutes." Most of the time, the urge passes. Most of the time. Third, replace it with something slightly less terrible. Not a TED Talk, not a marathon. A walk, a glass of water, 5 push-ups. Small swap, real results. Fourth, do not quit everything at once. That is not discipline. That is a setup for failure.